Meter plus 3-speed plus headlight switch wiring. Step 1. All wiring from the handlebar is gathered here, including the meter cable, 3-speed gear cable forward or reverse, high or low gear, and headlight switch cable. Step 2. Plug the meter connector into the matching socket. Ensure the connection is secure. Step 3. The 3-speed wiring includes 3 wires. Pay special attention to match the blue wire with the blue connector. All plugs are designed with foolproof features. Incorrect connections won't fit. Step 4. Only one connector remains for the headlight switch. Plug it in to complete the basic wiring.